Sir, your
So sorry. I was moved. So I'm continuously speaking, but sorry. So okay. So I wanted to tell you we have completed the function, and I have given you the overview about the function, and that is the Python syntax that is related to the function. And now it is the time to work with function exercise, so you can got the another more overview about the function in Python. So for this we need to go to the particular file name. So that is part 9 function exercise.py. Okay, and then uh, I will write the solution of this function exercise. Okay, so basically these exercise we are giving to student to solve, but due to some time constraint I am solving this exercise in front of you and you can see the solution. So this is the exercise file, and we actually uh, read the instruction very carefully so that we can solve the problem. uh, okay, so you need to complete the task by writing some functions here. And whenever we are encountered with any hard problems in our real life, or maybe in your question paper during your exams, so there is one simple solution. You need to break down that problem into smaller parts, then do the each part separately. The same thing we will do here. So if it is the problem is a big one, so we will break down in a smaller part. So basically those are solving the coding questions, those are solving the lead code problems, and problems on Geeks for Geeks, that is related to data structure and algorithms. So they are actually encountered with very large questions, and they will see what is the question is saying and what is the input, then what need to print the output. On the basis of that, they break down the problem, then write the particular solution, and then run the problem. If it is pass all the test cases, then it will be the fun. Okay, so this way we need to write the problem's solution and the logical steps. Basically, what is programming? What is program? Program is a basic logical thing. So we need to write the logic in program using the function, array, if else condition, control flow, these things only. Okay. So if you get stuck, don't feel bad about having to peek to the solutions. Okay. So this is the first problem. We have a list of integers written true if the sequence of numbers 1, 2, 3 appear in the list somewhere. Okay, so you can see this is the example. This is the list 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 here, so it will return true. But here you can search, but we does not find any 1, 2, 3 sequence here, and this will return false. And here you can find the sequence, then it will return true. So basically what we will do, we will check the every number sequence, then according to that we will return true or false in this function array check. Okay, so let me write the solution here only, and so that you can understand properly. So what I can do, I will check the uh, numbers whether it will be in sequence or not. So for that I need to traverse into the list. So when you need to traverse into a list or array, then what you need to add, you need to add a loop, and you need to write the loop. So I am writing the loop, for loop, and here I am starting I, that is the pointer in range. Actually, range, what range means the range of some numbers, but I will I will give the range of our is that our list. So our list is nums, so I will give the range of our list elements. So how much list element we have, that range I need to give. Okay, that is length of nums minus 2. Okay, and Then I will go inside this for loop and will write one if condition. That if condition will check if there is sequence or not. If there is sequence, then inside this if condition we will return true, otherwise we will return false. That's it. This is the logic actually. So we can say this is the basic DSA problem, we can say this. And many company asking these types of question, and if you solve this type of question, you can easily hire in any company for that software development role. But for that you need to do practice. Okay, here what I am doing, I'm checking actually. So nums I equal to 1, then nums I plus 1. So if I plus 1 equal to what? 2, and nums I plus 2. Okay, I plus 1 and I plus 2, that is the consecutive sequence, and this will be the 1 2 3. Okay, this will be the 1 2 3. Then we will return what? True. Okay, otherwise we will return false. Okay, so this way you can return true or false in your program. I hope you all understand about it. So here what I have done, I have run a loop from I in range nums minus 2 range. Okay, so then if nums I and I plus 1 and I plus 2 is equal to 1 2 3 sequence, then it will return true, then otherwise false. Now I am moving toward the second problem. It is a s- string problem. So given a string, okay, return a new string made up of every other character starting with the first. So hello yields HLO. For example, string bits hello, then this will give this string HLO, and string bits hi, then it will give H. String bits hello, and this will give HELLO. So return a new string made up of every other characters starting with the first. So hello yields HLO. Okay. So we need to return a string. So one after actually we need to return the string uh, by uh, by uh, by alternate letters, by alternate characters, I can say. So I can show you the hello string. Here we have HELLO. So first I will print the H, then I will not print E, then I will print L, then I will not print another that next L, then I will print O. Here also H I will print, I will not print I. So here I will print H, then E not. Next E I will print, then L, then O will not print, then L, then O. Okay. So this will return the right output like this way. So for this, actually we will play with the indexes of our string. So a string is an array, character array. So we will traverse through a string, and we will see if there is index, even index. If the index is even, then we will add that character to the string. If the index is not even, then we will not add the character to the string. Okay, let me write the code, then you can understand easily. So I will create one small that I will create one empty string. Okay, so this empty string, basically inside this string I will store the result actually. So for this I need to write the program I in range. So this is means I mean range is a very useful tool, directly traversing through any for loop. So inside range we have length, then my string. So basically I am passing the my string here. Okay, so here at the place of string I am passing the my string, my str string, so you can understand properly. So here I will pass the my string, and here I will check the that my string length. So that my string length, it will print. This for loop travels through this for I in range length of my string. Okay, so this way you can give a for loop. And here I will start if I modulo 2. So basically I is a pointer which is representing the index of characters. Okay. So if I modulo is equal to 2 equal to 0, then result will be result plus result plus my string I. So this my string I will take care of every character that is available on even index, and it will add that even index character to the result string, and then we will get the result. So let me return result, result. So this is the result. Okay, now let's say I will save this, and I'm not running actually. I want to show you the solution only. So here I what I have done, I have take the empty string that is result, then I check the pointer through the index. If it is even, then I'm adding that character. If it is not even, I'm not adding that character. So basically alternate character will be added into the string, and we will got the result. Next problem is problem 3, and let we can solve this problem also, and I can show you. Given to string, return true if either of the string appears at the very end of the other string. So we have two string basically A and B, and we need to return true if either of the strings appear at the very end of the other string. Okay, ignoring upper and lower case differences will not take care the lower and upper and lower case differences. In other words, the computation should not be case sensitive. Note, s dot lower returns the lowercase version of a string. Okay, so what actually we want to do? So this is the string, and inside this string we'll check if next string is available or not. So it is available, that then it is true. In this string, this is available or no. Okay, okay. So we will compare the smaller string to the bigger string. So we will compare ABC string to this. Okay, and we are not taking care of lowercase and uppercase characters. We want to check the order. So if order is available, if lower string is available in bigger string, then we need to return true. So these types of problem we are solving using the function. So here what we are doing, we are actually taking a or b two string, and first we will convert the every string to the lower case. And for that, what we'll do, I will first convert the that a equal to lower string. Okay, then I will convert the b string into the lower, a converted into lower case, b also converted into lower case. Then everything is equal. Okay, everything is in smaller case. Then we need to return what? A a minus length of b, length of b string is equal to colon. So basically we are starting from the end to the first. Okay, end to the first we are going, and we are checking a string. If it is equal to b, if this case is true, then we will return true. Or if next case is true, that is a equal to b of what? The same thing we will do. We will write the minus basically from the end of a, and then we'll go towards the first. So this way you can compare the both the string. If any string is available during the this traversal, this reverse this order, then we'll return true. नहीं तो अपन false return करेगा. Okay, so this is the problem actually, and this is the solution of problem 3. Now given a string and it is returned a string where for every character in the original there are two characters. So we have given one string the, so we need to return tthee. Basically for every character we need to return double character. Okay, so how can I do this? I will write the function double character, and I will pass one string. Okay, and here I will take one empty string inside the result. Then I will write for loop that will traverse in string. Okay, so it directly traverse into the string, and inside the result, uh, inside the result I will do char multiply by 2. Okay, so basically I am multiplying the every character to 2, and then it will add it to the result string. Then I will return result in the last. So this is the thing actually we want to do, double the character, every character we need to double, then here we got the this result. Problem 5 is like a big problem, so here you need to understand the problem carefully. Here we will need to check, we will need to play with the list of the Python. So given three int values ABC, we have given return their sum. However, if any of the value is a teen in the range of 13 to 19 inclusive, then that value count as 0, except 15 and 16 do not count as a teens. So write a separate helper define fixed teen function that takes in an int value and return that value fixed for the teen value. Teen means teenager values. So in this way, you avoid repeating the teen code 3 times. That is decomposition. Define the helper below and at the same indent level as the main no teen sum. Again, you will have two functions for this problem. So 1, 2, 3. So that will be the 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. No teen sum. 2 plus 13. Uh, so we have 13. Uh, Apart from 13, we have 2 and 1. So we need to return 3. And we have 14. Apart from 14, we have 2 and 1. And we need to return 3. So this problem I think we have solved in uh, JavaScript section, this type of problem. So we need to ignore the teen value from 13 to 19. And apart from that value, we need to add. So we need to write two function and according to that we need to give the output. So this will return actually what? This function तो directly return करेगा आपका it will return fix teen. Fixed teen. What is the fixed teen? Fixed teen actually that is the number which is not inclining between 13 to 19. Okay. So 16 with respect to a value that we are passing, then we will add 16 b. B is a number, another number, then we will passing 16 c. Okay, so this is the pattern actually. And the 16 is what is the 16 actually? You are thinking what is 16, how I can write this 16 without declaring. So here you can see this is the function 16 we already defined it, and we need to write some code here so that you can understand. So this program we can understand like C++ program in which we are writing some function, not a C++. Every program in this we have a one main function. So we write some function above. Then there should be one main function that is driver function that is driving the whole program. So this 16 is actually a driver function. It will drive the whole program. This program. So here we need to write the thing also. If if n is the number that is the list 13 comma 14 comma 15 comma 16 comma 17 comma 18 and comma 19. Okay, 13, 14, 17 and 18 and 19. We need to remove the 15, 16. Okay, here this condition already given in problem. So if this number, these number is here inside the if, then return 0. Okay, so return 0 basically the success, return success. Okay, so nahi to we will return that is n. Okay, so we will return that n number. So the 16 will take care of this. Okay, and now this will pass the number to this, and this will print the result. Okay, now last problem is return the number of even integers in the given array. Means you have given a list, you need to return the even number. That is very simple actually. That is like that. You have to give this array 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you need to return this. You have given 2, 2, 0, you need to return this. This type of things you can do in this function, and I can count the even numbers. So first I need to give one variable that is count because we need to count the even numbers. And then using the for loop, I will traverse into the nums. Then we'll check if element divided by 2 equal to 0, then count plus equal to 1. Okay, then we'll return true. So this is the case. So actually, if the element is even, we will increase the value of count by 1. So at the end, we need to return the count, not a true. So this true is wrong. We need to return the count because we want the value of count at the output screen. So this is the actually uh, program solution of exercise. And let's say, let me solve this. Okay, I'm not running this file. I My motive is only showing you the solution of these problems, and you can understand the function, how to use the function for solving the different kind of things. So I can show you. After that, we have one game, which is a simple game in Python. So this is the simple game. Okay. So we have to learn something about this game. So then we will start the solution. So we have learned enough Python for you to create a simple command line game. So this is the game, that is simple command line. Okay. Now let's discuss the rules of the game and then show you an example run through of a finished game. Then the computer will think of 3-digit number that has no repeating digits. Okay, guys, I will introduce you this game into the next session. So that will be on Monday. Okay, on Saturday, Sunday, I will not take any session. That will be on Monday.